Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar Canadian, I still think that this is potentially at some point going to make a big move down. If this is the end of a trend right here, which it looks like it could be, even though we don't have the breaker structure yet proving it, if it is the end of a trend, then this will go down. It will break that structure, and it will start a brand new downtrend. Now, like I said, the breaker structure should be what confirms the bigger move to the downside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I would have my Fibonacci retracement set up like this for now, because to me it looks like 5 waves down, and then it looks like a potential flat here in the middle, like a regular flat, almost like a potential like 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 down, and then 5 up. It may actually just grab these highs, maybe hit the 61 or the 78%, and then make a move down. The next move down should be very critical because if it goes down and breaks structure with momentum, then this likely is a top on the 4 hour time frame. If instead it goes down and makes like a higher low and then turns back up softly, then it could just be another ABC correction within the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.